Welcome to the MD Solutions Optimax Training Series, TCM Home Icon. In this session, we will tour the home icon found in the TCM main navigation. The home display is easily identified by the house icon located in the TCM main navigation menu. It is important to become familiar with the functions of the home screen, as all daily activities are worked and completed in this menu. You will see that your schedule, task, and client lists are all incorporated into the home screen. It is important to note that the home screen is intended to be personalized to your preferences and workflow. Therefore, it should be customized prior to working TCM in production mode. You can view the List and Detail View customization session to become familiar with the basic concepts of customization, or for customization assistance, contact MD Solutions Support. Now let's take a tour of the schedule. The schedule found in the home screen is the schedule you work out of on a daily basis. The schedule icon in the TCM navigation is not intended to be your daily working calendar. All encounters and activities are designed to be completed from the schedule found in the home icon. For more information on completing encounters and activities, review the instructional session, Completing Encounters and Activities Single Client. Notice when we click on a scheduled activity, the attendance icon lights up. You will not find the attendance function in the schedule icon. Your schedule display can easily be controlled from this view. For detailed instructions on navigating the schedule, view the Navigating the TCM Scheduled Activity session. But let's do a quick review on changing your display. Right-click on the time ruler to change your activity view or time intervals. You can also view multiple days by highlighting the days on the calendar. Activities can be added on the fly from the home screen schedule. To create the scheduled activity on the fly from the home screen, there are three methods. You can click the new icon, use Ctrl-N on your keyboard, or right-click and select New Appointment. Set your start on and end on times. Select your activity. Set the facility. Select a location if the activity is set for a specific location in your facility. You can add a description if necessary, and be sure to add the client or clients, as well as any resources. Save and close your activity. Now let's take a look at tasks. Tasks are simply a to-do list of work or actions that have been assigned to you by someone within your organization. Since tasks are trackable, it provides an easy method of following the progress of the work or actions assigned. Tasks are an ideal tool to replace email as a form of assigning work or actions. For best results, task workflow that includes task categorization should be set up in advance of use. Check with your organization's management on how to process tasks and details of the workflow established before utilizing. If workflow has not been designed, contact MD Solutions for assistance. Your task list will contain all tasks that have been assigned to you for action, or ones that you have created. Being able to view tasks that have been created by you allows you to track progress of tasks you have assigned to others. The task list and detail views can be personalized to your preference. Again, view the List and Detail View customization session to become more familiar with the basic concepts of customization. It is important to note that you must review your task list to stay on top of tasks assigned to you. Tasks are not like emails in that you received an email when a task is assigned to you. Tasks can be configured for custom appearance rules to visually display statuses or the degree of urgency. Also, if you have signed up for Connect services, you can configure a workflow process to send text messages to staff when a new task has been assigned or when a task has not been addressed in a defined period of time. Call MD Solutions for information on Connect services, including pricing information. Finally, let's go take a look at the Client tab. In the Client tab, you can access the entire client list. Depending on your user permissions, you can access the client demographic and client case information. Within the client case, you will find service definitions. Service definitions are a list of authorizations or services that have been set up for the client you're viewing. You can also view the specific schedule for the client and any attachments associated with the client if they're being used. Note, the tabs in detail you are viewing may be different than what you are seeing in this video. This detail is controlled via the permissions set for your role by your organization. If you need access with additional information found in the client record, please speak to your organization's management. They can forward requests to MD Solutions support. In summary, we have reviewed the home screen icon. Completing all activities and encounters must be performed in the home screen, and accessing and working the task and client lists from the home screen.